Okay, children, I'm going to simplify what do you mean by the two topics that I have given you in C activity, SEA activity. Most of you don't understand, they just start making the video. They don't want to, you people don't want to read only. You just need to make and waste your time as well as my time also. So the two topics are given. One is parents crave love and deserve respect. Okay. What do you mean by this? This means your parents take lot of pain to bring you up, right? In their difficult time also they sacrifice everything and they see that you get everything, every possible thing. For example, now your school is not regular, yes, and it is pandemic time. It's a very tough time for everyone. Your parents are not earning as good as they used to earn before, but now they are having facing lot of tough time. Like you children, they see to that you children get everything in the world, because they know that you children are the future. So if parents are contributing everything for the child, why not the child gives the gratitude by expressing thank you and respect? So this I require some activity that you think that you should give in your video. So parents, the first theme is parents crave love and deserve respect. You first need to read this, okay? Then the second topic is on everybody should be prepared for disaster. Now everyone, this is the second theme. So based on these two topics, you have to select any one. So let me explain the second one. Parents crave love and deserve respect. What I have given you in the table over here, can you see this? Over here I have given you the three possible things that you can make video on. First one, I am grateful for my parents and the opportunity they have provided. So you need to be expressing gratefulness to your parents that they have provided you opportunity. Like everyone is not blessed with everything, right? So you people are so lucky कि you are attending your school in virtual classrooms. Yes, you are able to study. You are able to get earphones, very advanced earphones, laptops they have provided you. So you should be thankful to their greatness. They require respect. So how are you going to repay? How are you going to pay respect? How are you going to pay respect? How are you going to convey the message to them? How are you going to be grateful to them? So in the video you are going to express your thought and you are going to express your gratefulness in the video. Yes. Second one, why one should be always thankful to your parents. You have to give 5 reasons. You have to give instances कि why you are telling thank you. What are the 5 reasons that you want to express thank you? Third one is reference to photo. You can take any pictures. You can select any pictures. The student must share the best memories with their parents. You recollect कि mom, dad had taken you out and they must have purchased so many good things that you wanted. And how are you going to express that? They can refer to the place they have visited in the photograph, an event, celebration, anything which expresses their love and respect for their family. You can even say, you can even go to flashback that, oh, on my birthday, you can take the photograph. Oh, on my birthday, my parent had fulfilled my dream. I wanted a bicycle. I wanted a gear wali bicycle, or I wanted a beautiful dress that they had purchased for me. So you have to have 5 things. Give 5 reasons for what you are expressing you're thankful to your parents. How are you going to respect them? Okay, that will be in the form of video. Okay, so I hope. And then there is another thing: live interview your parents individually or together. The student must interview his or her parent for 2 minutes, like Ayushi did, Bhavyanshi did. She interviewed her mother. So a video for the same has to be sent. A set of questions has been provided to the students for reference. The student can select 8 to 10 questions for interview. Down, just if you scroll down, there are set of questions over here. What are the questions? Where were you born? What time and date were you born? What is your original name come from? Who kept your name? What was your nickname? Why? What is your first memory about your childhood? Did you move around a lot when you were younger, when you were small? What did you love to do as a kid before high school? What do you remember most about your school? What hobbies did you gravitate towards as a child? Did you like pets, taking care of them? What do you remember most about the schools you attended? What was your best who was your best childhood friend? How would you describe him? Were you very naughty or sober? What was your house like as a child? What were the best moments and experiences? How did your family come to settle to Indore? What did you remember most about your mom and dad? Then all these questions, out of that you can select any 10 and take an interview of them. The second theme is about the disaster. So it can happen by chance also. Yes. So this COVID-19 happened all of a sudden, right? And we didn't know anything. So you talk about that. Yes. And how will you take precautions? What are the things that you have to be prepared with? Are you going to create a havoc in the house? So how are you going to deal with it? So all this regarding the second theme, you are going to talk about the disaster. Yes. So how will you deal with it? What steps will you take and what would you do? Explain your action and reactions. Have you seen this? So this is what it is. Okay. Or interview an adult member. You need to interview your mother or father, and here are the question. What is your full name? आपका पूरा नाम क्या है? When were you born? कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? Tell me about your family members of your family. Where did you go to school? Can you tell me one incident about your childhood that you consider important? तो आप अपना इंसिडेंट कोई बता सकते हैं. यू कैन इंटरव्यू इन हिंदी ऑल्सो इफ दे कांट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश. Talk in English, but you convert it. You can convert it in Hindi. Can you tell me about one incident from your childhood that you consider important? Why do you think this incident is important? So you need to tell कि भाई आपके साथ ये ज़िंदगी में घटा था, तो आपने इससे क्या सीखा. आप हमें उसके बारे में हमें क्या सीख दोगे. अगर आपने कुछ सीखा है उस इंसिडेंट के बारे में, हमें क्या आप सीख दोगे. ठीक है, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा. ठीक है. सो दैट्स इट. आई होप दिस मैसेज इज़ वेरी क्लियर, राइट. सो आई होप एवरीवन makes a sensible video and send it to me by 18th. 18th is the last due date that everyone has to send me. Okay.